Hello friends, welcome in our channel Maulik Learning. In today's video of complete Python programming for beginners, I will discuss how we can download one beautiful Python IDE, that is Pycharm. So we will discuss it. Before discuss this video, I have request to all of you, if still you haven't subscribed our channel Maulik Learning, then please type Maulik Learning in YouTube and click on subscribe button. So let's start. Just type Pycharm in Google search bar, then you will go to the official website of Pycharm, that is jetbrains.com. This is the official website of Pycharm software. Here you can see Pycharm. Just click on download button. Once you click on download button, you can see plenty of option you have available. You can download for Windows, you can download for Mac OS, you can download for Linux. Since I am using Windows, in Windows we have two options, professional and community. Professional is paid version and community is for learning purpose for students. It is totally free, so I recommend for community edition. Just click on download. Once you will click on download, it will going to install download in your system. I have already downloaded this in my system. I will show you. This is Pycharm community 20.221.1.3. Just click right click on this and run as administrator. Once you click on run as administrator, it will ask the permission. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on yes. Once you will click on yes, then Pycharm IDE will start to install in your system. Then click on next. Give the path, but default path is set. Next, and click on install. Now the Pycharm will be now start Pycharm to install in your system. It will take little bit time. So in first video lecture we had discussed how we can download the Python. We had already downloaded the Python. I had showed you. There are two view of Python that we can use, that is Python 3.9 64-bit, that is in interactive mode. That is, we just type the commands, for example print hello, and we will see the output. Similarly, a equals to 10 and print a, then we will get the output. And second one is we had already discussed, that is also Python IDE, that is script mode, Python script mode. That is, we can completely type the script first here and go on file, new file. We can completely type the Python script here. P equals to 20, C equals to A plus B, print C, and click on run module. Before running this, it will say ask to save the file, my.py.py. Yes, then you can see the output 30. This is script mode. And two mode, that is, first is interactive mode, you just type the command, and second one is script mode. Here you can also type your Python script. If you had any problem in first video during downloading and install the Python, you can write us in the comment section. We will provide you help. So let's see our Pycharm is now. We can see that our Pycharm ID is completely Pycharm community edition setup. So run the Pycharm community edition, go on finish. Once you click on finish, it will start Pycharm IDE on your system. It will take little bit time according to your system configuration. So this is import PyCharm setting. Do not import setting, click on OK. Sorry. Now you can see the PyCharm community 2021.1 edition. This is latest version of PyCharm. It will take little bit time. Here you can see that startup dialog window. Sorry, you can see here new project option. Once new project open, in first time you have to set a new project. When you click on new project, you have to give the path, project name, my Python Pro 1, suppose I have given this name. Then click on create. Once you will click on create, it will load the current project configuration. It will take little bit time, so we have to wait. I will tell you each and everything about this IDE. This is very beautiful IDE, mostly used to creating or execute Python script. We can change here themes also. Default themes is set, and we can change the theme, we can change the font colors also. I will show you once it will start the project. So one question to all of you: if you have any idea of Python, then question is that why Python is too much popular day by day nowadays. Please give your comments on this question so that we can interact with each other also. So you can see the, now you can see that here my Python Pro 1, this is project. You can see this is project. In this project folder, the main.py is a main file. Okay, so how we can create our own Python script. And before starting this, I want to change the theme also. Just click on theme. Once you will click on theme, you have plenty of options available. IntelliJ Light, Windows 10 Lite. You can change the theme according to your and as you like. I just click on this format. It is more clear view for me. And now click on setting. You can click on setting also. Once you click on setting, you can change the go on editor, and now you can change font size, because font size is too small. I will change 27, then apply, then click on OK. Now how I will create my first Python script file in PyCharm. Please see, just do one thing, right click on this. Once you will right click on your project folder, I will show you again. Just right click on this, you will see new option. In new, you go on Python file, select the Python file and give the Python file name first dot py, then write your Python script here. For example, print welcome in PyCharm Python IDE, and go on run and click on run. And here you have this, your main is default file, you have your file is first. Click on this, run, then you can see that your output is going in welcome in PyCharm in Python IDE. Okay, so again I am showing you how you can create new file. Just do right click on and go on new and give the select the Python file and give the name of Python file. Suppose second dot py. Now write your Python script here. A equals to 10, b equals to 20, c equals to a divided by b, then print c. Go on run, click on run and select. Now you have your file is second.py. Then you can see the output 0.05. .py is a extension of Python file. Every file of Python will save with .py extension. So this is about Pychram IDE. We will make more and more script Python script in this Pychram IDE. So this is for this video. We will meet in next video.